Transform your Webflow site from sluggish to lightning fast with these essential performance optimization techniques. First, let's tackle images circumflex euros, the usual culprits for slow load times in your Webflow project. Navigate to your site settings, look for the image optimization section here. You'll want to ensure automatic optimization is enabled. This automatically compresses your images without a noticeable loss in quality, significantly reducing their file size for larger hero images. Consider manually optimizing them before uploading. Tools like TinyPNG or Squoosh can dramatically shrink file sizes while keeping them visually sharp. When adding images to your pages, be mindful of their dimensions. Upload images at the size they'll actually be displayed. If an image is 2,000 pixels wide, but only shows at 500 pixels, Webflow has to download the larger file and then scale it down, wasting bandwidth. Ensure your images are the correct aspect ratio and resolution for their intended use. Next, let's talk about efficient code and assets. While Webflow handles much of this for you, it's good practice to keep your project clean. Regularly review your project's assets panel, remove any unused images, fonts, or custom code snippets you're no longer employing. This minimizes your site's overall footprint. Another crucial step is leveraging caching and content delivery networks, or CDNs. Webflow automatically utilizes a global CDN, which serves your site's content from servers geographically closer to your users. This is a built-in performance booster to further enhance this. In your site settings, ensure that caching is enabled. This allows browsers to store parts of your website locally, so returning visitors load it much faster. Finally, regularly test your website's performance. Tools like Google PageSpeed Insights or GTmetrix provide valuable diagnostics and actionable recommendations. Implement their suggestions, focusing on improvements to your image optimization, font loading, and any custom code you might have added. By consistently applying these techniques, you'll build a Webflow site that not only looks great, but also delivers a blazing fast user experience, leading to happier visitors and better search engine visibility.